Time starts now.
Hi everyone, I'm just George from Team Trace. We are a group of 5 fresh engineering graduates from MA College of Engineering, Koramangala, and this is our business plan. Trace, it's a complete fleet management solution, and actually it's a comprehensive fleet management system. We have decided this for the logistic division of any business enterprise, whether it be a small scale or a large scale, and which help them to aid in every sector of fleet management and allied human resource management. And this is our methodology. We are having a Trace gadget, which is a GSM GPS based gadget, and we are having inputs from our vehicle, and this will be installed on the vehicle. And at the user end, we will be having a mobile app and a web-based app. And communication is possible in 2 platforms. One is direct communication through GSM. We are targeting the low-end clients where they are having limited departmentalization, and they are more concerned about engine parameters, fuel management, and they actually just need the location. They don't want much tracking data. And other is a GPS, where we are having a cloud computing, and it will be sent to a server, and from there there will be a mobile app and a web-based app. This section we are targeting the high-end users, where they are having large corporation, large-scale industries. They are having more number of fleets with them, and these are the various parameters that Trace will monitor. It's a real-time fleet tracking. We will monitoring speed, trip distance, mileage, oil level, and other engine parameters. And we will be checking the practices like fuel theft, faulty fuel refill volume, etc. There will be a trip interruptions and route tracing, etc. And we will provide an e-logbook with a complete trip history, vehicle performance, including mileage or other details, and the consignment details. And we will alert our client regarding the renewals like registration permit, tax, insurance renewal, and trip interruptions and other malpractices. We will be using our mobile app for this purpose. And our targeted market is range from big corporations to small fleet owners, and it can also leverage its scope in public transport service, cab service, etc. And we get our revenue from a one-time sale of the gadget and a monthly subscription charge. These are the main competitors, and are discriminated. Thank you.